Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 2, 2022 1-star Sudoku. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 7. Column E we have 1 and 7. It can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 1 and 7 we will confirm later. Column C and column I we have pair numbers 3 and 6. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. In 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 6th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row and column I we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6 also you can confirm here. 6th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. 5th row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. We will confirm later. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. We will confirm later. Column F and column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. We will confirm later. 10th row and column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Eighth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. We'll confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 7. 7th grade. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. We have 3 also in this grade. So 3, 8 can't come in this cell. Then it will come in one of the cells. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 4th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, this 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Ninth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 9. Ninth row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, we have 7. Fourth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. We will confirm later. Column J, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. We can confirm 6 also here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Third row we have 8 and 9. It can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells. Second row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Second row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column F we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column C we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Ninth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.